you have a lot of competition in this market?
We don't have a lot of competition, but we are right at the top of our game, and so there are a number of pretenders to the throne, I would say. But the top of the market, it's very, very competitive, but there's very few of us at the sort of level that I'm talking about. Alcon's been going for about nearly 35 years now, and we are one of the world's leading manufacturers of performance brakes and clutches, supplying into most sports sectors like Formula 1, World Rally, NASCAR in the States. But we've also expanded now, and we supply into the automotive companies such as Bentley and Audi, Peugeot, and more recently we've started doing quite a lot of business in special vehicle sectors with military vehicles and armoured protection vehicles.